Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to cancel Freelancer membership on phone. So to cancel your membership on your Freelancer on your phone, first thing you need to do is open up your Freelancer, and once you're here, click on the three horizontal lines on the right. Then once you're here, click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you will be located right here, and on the top side, you will see an email notification and membership. And then what you need to do is click on Membership. Once you're here at Membership, you will see your current plan. As you can see, it's 9.99 US dollars per month. So to cancel it, just click on Cancel. It's loading. There you go. As you can see, cancel Freelancer membership. So your downgrade plan will not allow you to access the following benefits. Here are the benefits that are no longer when I cancel my Freelancer membership. So let's click on Cancel Membership right here on the right. Then we're sorry you're thinking of canceling your membership. Can you tell us why? Now I'm just gonna pick others. Then I'm gonna add my reason. I don't need it anymore. I'm gonna add thank you. Thank you. Then let's cancel our membership right here. Cancel. And it's loading. And there you go. Now you have canceled your Freelancer membership, as you can see right now. See? I have no longer a membership. See, my current plan is 0 US dollar per month. I hope you guys liked the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.